His hair is blonde and his eyes are blue. They dance with the secret of I love you. His hands so manly, his class so strong. The only one to whom you'll ever belong. You think of him morning, noon, and night, and at our age it isn't right. You wear his class ring on a chain, and die if you couldn't ever wear it again. When you dance with him